friends! I'm Leo, and this is Bravey. Today, we're going to learn animal sounds together. Are you ready? Let's go! Wow! We made it to the jungle! Let's meet some animals and hear the sounds they make. Our first friend is a dog. Dogs say, "Woof, woof, woof, woof." Now, can you tell me how dogs bark? Now, can you tell me how cats sound? Meow, 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 meow. A kitty soft and full of cheer says meow, meow for us to hear. Now, can you tell me how pigs sound? Oink, 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 oink. Good job! A pig so pink and full of cheer says oink, oink for all to hear. Oink, oink. Good job! Let's move further and see which is the next animal. Now, can you tell me how lions sound?
Roar, roar.
Good job! The lion's roar is loud and strong. It's heard across the jungle long.
Roar, roar.
Now, can you tell me how ducks sound? Quack, 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 quack.
A little duck with feathers bright quacks for joy from morning to night.
Thank you for watching. Thanks, dear friends, for singing along. We're all happy you joined our song. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.